Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious tacos tortillas from scratch. First, gather your ingredients: masa harina, warm water, and a pinch of salt. You'll also need a tortilla press or a rolling pin and some plastic wrap. Make sure your workspace is clean and ready for mixing. This simple preparation sets the stage for perfect homemade tortillas. Now, let's make the dough. In a large bowl, combine 2 cups of masa harina with 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Slowly add 1½ cups of warm water, mixing with your hands until a soft, pliable dough forms. If it's too dry, add a little more water. If too sticky, add more masa. Knead for about 2 minutes until smooth. Next, we'll shape and cook your tortillas. Divide the dough into 16 equal pieces, rolling each into a ball about 1½ inches in diameter. Place a dough ball between 2 pieces of plastic wrap in your tortilla press and press firmly. Cook each tortilla on a hot, ungreased griddle for about 60 seconds per side until lightly browned and puffed. Once cooked, keep your tortillas warm by wrapping them in a clean kitchen towel or placing them in a tortilla warmer. They are truly best enjoyed fresh, straight off the griddle, with your favorite taco fillings. For other great deals, and to check out those darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, make sure to look at the link in the description below. Enjoy your delicious homemade tacos.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.